Yes. So in the previous class, I explained you up to mole concept. How many atoms are present in 1 mole of? How many atoms are present in 1 mole of fluorine? In 1 mole of fluorine. Okay. Or otherwise, 1 mole of fluorine atoms. 1 mole of fluorine atoms. 1 mole of fluorine atoms is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 fluorine atoms. Nothing but Avogadro number of fluorine atoms. Okay. So the mass of these many number of fluorine atoms, 1 mole of fluorine atoms is equals to how many grams? Actually 19. These many number of fluorine atoms, 19 grams. 19 grams. Actually in the previous class I explained you what is the mass of 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. The last line. Okay. The mass of 1 mole of hydrogen atom. I gave it as the home task. Isn't it? I gave it as the home task. సో హోంవర్క్గా ఇచ్చాను, మీరు ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయండి అనేసి. చిన్న ప్రాబ్లం. రైట్. ఎనీహౌ ఐ హ్యావ్ స్టార్టెడ్ విత్ దిస్ వన్. సి 1 mole of fluorine atoms is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 fluorine atoms. Nothing but Avogadro number of, what is Nana? Avogadro number of fluorine atoms. Okay. Right, that is equal to approximately equal to is equals to 19 grams. 19 grams. Okay. What is the mass number of fluorine? Mass number of fluorine 19. So that is. See, the mass of these many fluorine atoms is equals to 19 grams. Okay. Let me explain in a detailed way. Fluorine atom, 1 fluorine atom, first of all, 1 fluorine atom is equals to how many protons? 9 protons plus 9 neutrons plus 9 electrons. Protons possess positive charge, electrons possess negative charge, and neutrons possess no charge. Zero charge. So 1 atom of fluorine means 9 protons, 9 neutrons, 9 electrons. But what I have told, actually we do not consider the mass of electrons in the calculation of the mass of an atom. The mass of an atom. We consider only the mass of protons as well as the mass of neutrons. The sum of the masses of the protons and neutrons is equal to atomic mass. Here 1 atom of which atom? 1 atom of fluorine. 1 atom of fluorine. That means its atomic number is 9. So that it has 9 protons. So it is a neutral atom. We take neutral atom. When we take neutral atom, equals to proton, electrons will be there. Okay. But one thing is mistake happened here. See, actually 9 protons, 9 electrons, but not 9 neutrons. See, nobody have responded. Even though I have written the mistake almost 1 minute, it is on the board. Nobody have responded. It's your duty to. So sometimes if you are attentive, definitely you would have found it. Right. 10 neutrons, no charge. Okay. So we do not consider the mass of electrons. We consider only the mass of protons and mass of neutrons. Okay, this is I am explaining the mass of 1 atom of fluorine. Okay. Yes, you know very well how many protons are there, 9 protons are there. What is the mass of 1 proton? What is the mass of 1 proton? See, what is the mass of proton? 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. What is the mass of neutron? Mass of neutron is equals to 1.675, slightly different. See, the mass of neutron and mass of proton are slightly varied, are almost equal. Approximately both can be taken as equal. 1.675 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Okay, so both can be treated as this almost same value. So here 9 protons are there na, 9 into 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 24 plus 9, sorry, how many neutrons are there? 10. 10 into 1.67, okay, 5, let it be written 5. 1.675 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. So this is just, we are doing calculation only the mass of one atom of fluorine. Mass of one atom, just one atom, okay, of fluorine. So is it possible to do anything with one atom of fluorine? Okay, the most lightest mass, one atom of fluorine. One atom of fluorine means, see, it is almost equal to 1 AMU. It is also almost equal to 1 AMU. Then together how many AMUs you get? Powers are the same na? So you can 9 plus 10, 19 AMUs. Okay, just it is equal to, see, 9 AMU plus 10 AMU, that is equals to 19 AMU. Can we do any research or can we do any reaction by taking 19 AMUs of fluorine? Is it possible practically? Is it possible practically? Absolutely not possible. Because of it is the 1 AMU means very smallest quantity of mass. Like that 19 AMU. It is also the smallest one. Okay, but we want, see, we want not just one mass of, that means mass of one atom of fluorine. Now I am going to take 10 to the power of 6 F atoms, fluorine atoms. 10 to the power of 6 F atoms. Then 10 to the power of 6 F atoms means 19 into 19 AMU into 10 to the power of 6 nama. That's all. 19 AMU into 10 to the power of 6 AMU. That is equals to, this is the same value, 19 into 10 to the power of 6 AMU. Even though if you take this one, this is very small. So why is it small? See here, 19 into 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 24 into, okay, can be taken average 2 and 5 na? Let it be taken 3 or 4. 1.674 into 10 to the power of minus 24 into 10 to the power of 6. Now you can say what it is, 19 into 10 power 6, 10 power minus 18. 1.674 into 10 power minus 18. Is it a bigger value? Mathematically seem to be bigger. I have already, same thing I am repeating. Whatever the example I explained in the previous class, that was about hydrogen atom. But now I am explaining about fluorine atom. That is the difference. But even though I am explaining, I am using the sentence terminology also is the same. Only to give you better understanding. It's my try to give you better understanding regarding this. Okay. See, 10 power 6, 1 millions of atoms of fluorine I have taken. Even though I have taken 1 millions of atoms of fluorine, but the mass is only this much. Very little quantity. Very little quantity. Okay. So that instead of that, whatever the Avogadro suggested, that number I am taking. So Na atoms you may get confused. 1 mole of atoms. 1 mole of atoms. 1 mole of atoms. 1 mole of atoms means 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 into 19 into 1.674 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Okay, if you solve all these things, you are going to get approximately 19 grams. దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేస్తే మీకు ఎన్ని గ్రామ్స్ వస్తుంది? 19 grams of fluorine. 19 grams of fluorine. Understand? So this is the mass number of fluorine. Mass number of fluorine. See, what is the mass of just one atom of fluorine? Now be attentive and listen carefully. You must be responded. Okay, to my questions. What is the mass of just one atom of fluorine? 19 AMU. 19 AMU, or otherwise 19 into 1.674 into 10 to the power of minus 24. mass of one atom of fluorine. We can't do anything just by taking mass of one atom of fluorine. So that we have considered to take 1 mole of atoms. 1 mole of atoms. When we take 1 mole of atoms, approximately we are getting how many grams of fluorine? 19 grams of fluorine. If you solve this calculation, okay, multiplication, approximately you can get 19 grams of fluorine. Yes, 19 grams is a considerable quantity, na? 19 grams is a considerable quantity or not? Okay, 19 grams అంటే మనం ఎంతో కొంత చెప్పుకోదగ్గ క్వాంటిటీ కదా. 1 atom 19 AMU, the most tiniest smallest value of mass, 19 AMU. Cannot be done anything by taking that much of smaller mass. To do something, we need to take at least 1 mole of fluorine atoms. If you take 1 mole of fluorine atoms, approximately it comes around 19 grams. Yes, by taking 19 grams of fluorine, you can do something. 19 grams of fluorine. And now one more relation I am going to say. See here, these many atoms of fluorine, no? So now we have calculated the mass of 1 mole of atoms of fluorine, no? We have calculated the mass of 1 mole of atoms of fluorine. Okay. Now I have to explain you one relation. What is? Shall I write here? Let it be. Have you noted down? Is it completed? Okay. Yes. For a while I will explain here, and afterwards I will give you some time to note down. Right here. See. 1 mole of atoms. 1 mole of atoms is equals to 1 mole of atoms is equals to 1 gram atom. 1 gram atom. This relation is very, very crucial. Okay. 1 mole of fluorine atoms is equals to 1 gram atom of fluorine. 1 gram atom of fluorine. Now write. Okay. 1 mole of atom of fluorine. 1 mole of fluorine atoms is equals to 1 gram atom of fluorine. Okay. 1 gram atom does not mean just 1 gram of fluorine. Should not be confused. This relation you must remember well. Now we have calculated the mass of 1 mole of fluorine atoms. That is approximately 19 grams. Okay. So that 1 mole of fluorine atoms is equals to 1 gram atom of fluorine. Understood? Completed ma? See, these things better to write parallelly to me. నేను రాసేటప్పుడే 1 by 1 అంటే అట్లీస్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద కంప్లీషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 లైన్ ఆర్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ మీరు నోట్ చేయండి. టైమ్ విల్ బి సేవ్డ్. రైట్. సి సపోజ్ if you have noted down up to here, write a small numerical, a very little one. Calculate the total number of atoms, which atoms ma? Let it be fluorine atoms. Calculate the total number of fluorine atoms present in 4 gram atom of fluorine. 4 gram atom of fluorine. Calculate the total number of fluorine atoms present in how many gram atoms of fluorine? 4 gram atom of fluorine. Maybe you can add S, it's not a mistake. Okay, 4 gram atoms of fluorine. Now calculate, do it fast. Okay, it's a numerical. You have to do like as if drinking okay, as if drinking water, whether it is casual or cool water. Choice is yours. So in this season, during this season, you can drink casual water very happily compared to chill water, cool water. మరి అంత ఈజీగా చేయగలగాలి. Calculate the total number of fluorine atoms present in 4 gram atoms of fluorine. क्या बेटा? 76, only 76. 76 grams. I have not asked you what is the total mass of 4 gram atoms of fluorine. Your answer is for the total mass of 4 gram atoms of fluorine. I have asked in the problem, in the numerical, the total number of atoms. Total number of atoms. Option 1 ఏముంటుందో తెలుసా? Right, option 1. 4 atoms. Option 1 will be 4 atoms. So with the first option, paper setter will bold almost 40% of the students. 4 atoms. See what I have given. What is the question? 4 gram atoms. No need to think much. So the paper setter is a foolish. He has asked a very, very small question like that by thinking in that way. So most of the students, minimum 40% of the students will turn towards first option, 4 atoms. Next, second option, 76 atoms. 76 atoms. Third option, 4 moles of atoms. 4 moles of atoms. 4 moles of atoms. Fourth option, 4 moles of 76, 7.6, right? 7.6 moles of atoms. Fourth option, 7.6. 7.6 moles of option. See, if you have conceptual idea, if you have grip over concept, very simple. Okay, 1 gram atom is equals to 1 mole of atoms. Then 4 gram atoms is equals to 4 moles of atoms. Okay. Yeah, juniors are responding. Okay, they are just saying answers like somebody has just thrown an arrow. Okay, and fast ga cheptunnaru. And juniors must be the inspiration to the seniors. You too have to respond, my dear seniors. Right, Nana. So now this is the answer. Na? See, 1 gram atom is equals to 1 gram atom of fluorine is equals to 1 mole of fluorine atoms. Then 4 gram atoms of fluorine is equals to 4 moles. 4 moles. Okay. Next, second one, a small numerical. One more. Now you have to do it as if drinking casual water. No doubt about that. Calculate the total number of atoms. Calculate the total number of atoms present in 10 gram atoms of lithium. 10 gram atoms of lithium. Calculate the total number of atoms present in 10 gram atoms of lithium. See how many gram atoms? 10 gram atoms of lithium. 10 gram atoms of lithium. Total number of atoms. Now turn is for the seniors. Juniors be quiet. Seniors చెప్తారు. అంటే మీరు ఏమనుకుంటున్నారు సీనియర్స్ గురించి? Do they don't know? They know. They are just encouraging you. Now they will tell you. Yes. Seniors, my dear backbenchers, right side first. Anyone. Why? What, Mr. Ashish? Why are you sprinkling onto him? He has come today. Okay. Options. Oh, you are habituated to options. 10 gram atoms of lithium. Kada? Okay. Right. 10 moles of lithium atoms. 10 moles of lithium atoms. B, 10 atoms. 10 atoms of lithium. 10 atoms of lithium. C, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Serious option. This is because of 1 mole is equals to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. This is the serious option. Okay. Fourth option, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Answer. My dear, I don't want to corner you. Generally, I now answer. I have given options. Multiple choice, first one is answer. So 10 grams, 10 gram atoms means 10 moles. ఏదో నా నోట్ నుండి అలా వచ్చేసింది ఆన్సర్ అది. యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ డి నాట్ వాంట్ టు గివ్ యాజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ యాజ్ ద ఆన్సర్, బట్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ కమ్. 10 moles. 10 moles of atoms. 10 moles of atoms. 10 moles of lithium atoms. Okay, next second option.
10 atoms of lithium.
See, the fourth option as well as first option, first and last, both terminal options are correct, right? See now, so far I explained you one more relation. See here, 1 mole of atoms, 1 mole of atoms of any element is equals to 1 gram atom of that element. So write this one, write the conclusion. 1 mole of atoms of any element, 1 mole of atoms of any element is equals to 1 gram atom of the element, that element. Okay, 1 gram atom of that element. Right, man. Okay, now the question numerically. Have you understood the concept? Okay, concept is understood. What, mister? What about you? Have you understood? No difficulty? Nana, no difficulty for you, ma? Nana, no difficulty. Can you you can do? Okay, all of you masters, you can do, right? So right, calculate the number of molecules. Calculate the number of molecules of hydrogen. So if you have got confused, ఒక చిన్న పని చేయండి. What I have told you, calculate the number of molecules of hydrogen అన్నాను కదా, calculate the number of hydrogen molecules. Maybe easier to understand. Calculate the number of hydrogen molecules present in 10 moles of hydrogen gas. 10 moles of hydrogen gas. Calculate the number of hydrogen molecules present in 10 moles of hydrogen gas. Okay. See, so far I explained you the relation between mole and gram atom. So now the question, the numerical is given about the relation between mole and gram molecule. Write the hint for that. Hint is 1 gram molecule of any wait, 1 gram molecule of any element. 1 gram molecule, ఇక్కడ చిన్న హైఫన్ పెట్టండి, यहाँ पे एक छोटा हाइफन रख दो. 1 gram molecule of any element is equals to 1 mole of what ma 1 mole of that element. Okay, very good try. 1 mole of molecules, 1 mole of molecules of the element. 1 mole of molecules of the element. See, this is, see, 1 gram molecule of any element is equals to 1 mole of molecules of the element. So now what is the question? What is given in the question? 10 moles of hydrogen gas. So take the reverse. 1 mole of any element, whether it is gas or solid or liquid, irrespective of the state, 1 mole of molecules of the element is equal to 1 gram molecule. I have given how many gram molecules? 10 gram molecules. Then how many molecules will be there? 10 moles. Okay, so write 10 moles. No options, straight away 10 moles. See, 1 gram molecule is equals to 1 mole. Then 10 gram molecules is equals to 10 mole. 10 gram molecules is equals to 10 moles. Right. One more relation here. We have to, that means make it out, the relation. Right, 1 gram molecule, 1 gram molecule, 1 gram molecule is equals to, just 1 gram molecule is equals to, 1 gram molecule is equals to gram molecular weight. See, GMW ma. 1 gram molecule is equals to gram molecular weight of the element, gram molecular weight of the element. 1 gram molecule is equals to gram molecular weight of the element. Don't forget, these relations are very crucial. Okay, we have already in the previous class we have stepped into the mole concept. Today we are going through the mole concept. We are just having a tour of mole concept in this session. So whichever the relations are there with respect to mole, everything we are going through. Right here, see, 1 gram molecule is equals to gram molecular weight of the element. It has to be kept in box. It has to be kept in box. So not just underlined, it has to be kept in box. Box lo pettandi. Right. See, slightly level 0 to level 1, we will switch over. Level 0 to level 1 question కి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. చిన్న క్వశ్చన్ ఏదో అంటారు కదా, చిన్న బ్రేక్ చిటికలో వచ్చేస్తా, మీరు కూడా చిన్న క్వశ్చన్ చిటికలో చేయాలి. రైట్, calculate the total number of atoms present in 5 gram molecules of H2 gas. 5 gram molecules of H2 gas. See, this is the question mark. Calculate the total number of atoms present in 5 gram molecules of H2 gas. Option 1, 10 moles of atoms, 10 moles of H atoms. Option 2, 5 moles of H atoms. Option 3, 10 atoms of H. Option 4, 5 atoms of H. 5 atoms of H. Do it fast. Calculate the total number of atoms which are present in 5 gram molecules of hydrogen gas. So what is given? Gram molecules. And what is asked? Atoms. Okay, atoms are asked. The total number of atoms present in 5 gram molecules of H2 gas. Okay. Fourth option, very safest option. Okay, fourth option is very safest now. 5. Okay, 5 and 5, the safest option. Then so it is also safest one. Multi correct answer, not multi correct. One hint from my side, it's not a multi correct one, it's a single correct one. Cheppanu, which one? Fourth option, 5 gram molecules of hydrogen gas. Okay, see, let it be fourth option anukundam. So why should we discourage them? Let it be considered as fourth option. 5 gram molecules, no? 1 gram molecule is equals to how many atoms, ma? 1 mole of atoms. Atoms are molecules. Okay, 1 gram molecule is equal, once again I am writing, 1 gram molecule is equals to 1 mole of molecules. Right, here what is the question given? 5 gram molecules. Okay, 5 gram molecules is equals to 5 moles of molecules. But the basic relation we have to know. What is the atomicity of hydrogen? 2. Atomicity of hydrogen 2. Okay, that means each molecule consists of 2 atoms. Each molecule of hydrogen consists of 2 atoms. Okay, so that question is asked in terms of atoms, not in terms of molecules. So that 5 gram molecules is equals 5 moles of molecules, but each molecule is 2 atoms. So that into 2. So here 5 moles of atoms into 2, that is equals to 10 moles of hydrogen atoms. Have you understood this one? 10 moles of hydrogen atom. See, I know very well you won't believe the first option. That's why I have given the correct answer in first option. So these are the techniques of paper setter. Now I am playing the role of not only explainer, not only lecturer's role, paper setter role kuda play chestunna nenu. So these are the techniques of paper setter. Which kind of googly I want to use, like that they are always curious to bowl the student. Okay, so first option most of the students won't believe. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్లో కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఉంటుందని నమ్మరు, కానీ అలాంటివి కూడా ఉంటాయి. మీరు సెంటిమెంట్స్ పెట్టుకోవద్దు. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ దేర్ విల్ బి నో కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్. ఓన్లీ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ సెకండ్ అండ్ థర్డ్. డోంట్ గో విత్ దట్ సెంటిమెంట్, రైట్? ఓకే, దేర్ విల్ బి ట్రబుల్. 10 moles of H atoms ma. So we can write one conclusion, na? Write a conclusion, small conclusion. For the elements whose atomicity is 2, for the elements whose atomicity is 2, one gram molecule is equals to, write down ma. For the elements whose atomicity is 2 is okay, write down, dani kinda rayandi. 1 gram molecule is equals to, okay, 2 gram atoms. 1 gram molecule is equals to 2 gram atoms. 2 gram atoms. Okay. For the elements whose atomicity is 3, 3తో అటామిసిటీ చాలా తక్కువ ఉన్నాయి కదా, పర్లేదు రాయండి, మా కాంపౌండ్స్ వస్తాయి కదా. ఫర్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ హూస్ అటామిసిటీ ఈజ్ 3, 1 gram molecule is equals to, కొంచెం చాలా ఎంతూజియాస్టిక్గా ఆలోచిస్తున్నావు నన్న. వెరీ గుడ్ ట్రై. ఐ విల్ అప్రిషియేట్ యువర్ ఇనిషియేషన్. ఫర్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ హూస్ అటామిసిటీ ఈజ్ 3, 1 gram molecule is equals to 3 into gram atom. Thrice of gram atom. ఇక ఈ ఫస్ట్ టేబుల్ మాదిరి అన్నీ చెప్పాలా, అవసరం లేదు కదా. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, అవే కదా. ఓకే, ఫర్ ద అటామిసిటీ 3, thrice of gram atom. ఫర్ ద అటామిసిటీ 4 times of gram atom. ఫర్ ద అటామిసిటీ 5 times of gram atom. ఫస్ట్ టేబుల్ మనకు అవసరం లేదు. హ్యావ్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ ద రిలేషన్ అర్థమైందా? ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద రిలేషన్ వితౌట్ సేయింగ్ హెడ్డింగ్. ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ ద relation between mole and mass. Relation between, don't write, no need to write, I already explained, the part was explained. The relation between mole and mass of the substance. Okay, let it be. Now write one more numerical, write fast. Calculate the total mass of 10 moles of calculate the total mass of 10 moles of lithium metal. Calculate the total mass of 10 moles of lithium metal. So this is the descriptive problem. Just work out చేయండి, ఆప్షన్స్ వద్దు. మాస్ ఆఫ్ 10 moles of lithium metal. Right, just a small hint is you need to take mass number. No need to take atomic weight. Atomic weight అంటే అక్యురేట్గా వెళ్ళాలి అని చెప్పాను. అటామిక్ వెయిట్లో ఏ ఉంది, అక్యురేట్గా వెళ్ళాలి. అక్యురేట్లో కూడా ఏ ఉంది కదా, డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ దిస్ స్మాల్ నిమోనిక్. ఓకే, అటామిక్ వెయిట్ అన్నప్పుడు అక్యురేట్ వాల్యూ రాయాలి, మాస్ నంబర్ అంటే అప్రాక్సిమేట్ వాల్యూ రాస్తారు. అర్థమైందా? సో అటామిక్ వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్ 1.008 grams. మాస్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్ 1 gram. Mass number of hydrogen 1 gram. So whenever atomic weight is mentioned, you have to go accurately. Whenever mass number is told, only approximate number. Approximate గా రాసేస్తారు. ఇక్కడ లిథియం మెటల్ గురించి అడిగాను. ఓకే, లిథియం ఈజ్ ఎ మెటల్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద అటామిసిటీ ఆఫ్ మెటల్? 1. All the metals atomicity is 1. Right? Okay. So what is the total mass of the 10 moles of lithium atom అన్నాను. సో మీరు మాస్ నంబర్ తీసుకోండి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మాస్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ లిథియం? మాస్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ లిథియం జూనియర్స్కి సీనియర్స్కి ఇదే చిన్న డిఫరెన్స్. మీరు సింపుల్గా డబల్ చేస్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళకి ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. సో 7. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మాస్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ లిథియం? 7 grams. 7 grams. 7 grams is equals to mass number of lithium. It is also taken as its gram molecular weight. It is 1 gram molecule of lithium. So see all the relations I will write. 1 gram molecule of lithium is equals to its GMW of lithium, that is equals to mass number of lithium. See, all are same. See, 1 gram molecule of lithium, gram molecular weight of lithium, mass number of lithium. It is approximately how many grams? 7 grams. Approximately 7 grams. Right? So how many moles I have given? Okay. Say 1 gram molecule of lithium is equals to 1 gram molecule of lithium is equals to 1 mole of lithium. 1 mole of lithium atoms. 1 gram molecular weight of lithium is equals to 1 mole of lithium. Mass number of lithium is equals to 1 mole of lithium. Okay, whatever you take. So it is equal to 7 grams. It is equal to 7 grams. 1 gram molecule is equals to 1 mole. 10 gram molecules. 10 moles is equals to what I have asked. 1 gram molecule is equals to, see, okay, మీకు రిలేషన్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది చూడండి. 1 mole is equals to 1 gram molecule, that is equals to 7 grams. 10 moles is equals to 7 into 10, 70 grams. 7 into 10, 70 grams. Okay, so you can do through the relation. పెద్ద క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ అవసరం లేదు, వెరీ సింపుల్. If you know the relation between this 1 gram molecule of lithium, 1 mole of lithium is equal to 1 gram molecule of lithium, 7 grams. Then 10 moles is equals to 10 times of 7, 70 grams. Okay, so in that way, have you understood the relation between this and 1 mole? Between this and 1 mole. Okay, chinna I would like to explain you about this, and let us stop with that. See here, gram molecule for the lithium. In case of lithium, 1 gram molecule is equals to 1 gram atom. In case of lithium, 1 gram molecule is equals to 1 gram atom. Here you can write one more thing, 1 gram atom. Enduku nana? Why is it so? In case of lithium, 1 gram molecule is equals to 1 gram atom. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి? ఓకేనా, వెరీ గుడ్. వన్ మోర్ లాజిక్, షీ ఈజ్ అప్రోచింగ్ this logic. 1 gram molecule also 1 mole, 1 gram atom also 1 mole, no sir. So her logic is good, but that is not the straight answer na. On what basis you can say 1 gram molecule of, అంటే నేను రాశాక చెప్తున్నావు, నేను రాయలేదనుకో, how does it come to your mind? ఎక్కడుంది 1 mole of atoms? No. See, 1 mole of fluorine atoms is not equal to 1 gram fluorine atoms is not equal to 1 gram molecule of fluorine atoms kada. See, 1 gram atom of fluorine is not equal to 1 gram molecule of fluorine, avuna kada? 1 gram atom of fluorine is not equal to 1 gram molecule of fluorine. Enduku? But 1 gram atom of lithium is equal to 1 gram molecule of lithium. Enduku? So why is required na? చెప్పాలన్నా, ఎనీబడి, జూనియర్స్ సీనియర్స్ ఎవరైనా, ఇప్పుడు యువర్ టర్న్, చెప్పండి. ఓపెన్, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఈస్ గివెన్ టు యూ. సే నౌ ఫాస్ట్. చూడన్నా, చాలా సింపుల్గా, నో నీడ్ టు, ప్లీజ్ డు నాట్ మేక్ ఇట్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ కాంప్లెక్స్, బీ సింపుల్. 1 gram molecule of lithium is equal to 1 gram atom of lithium. 1 gram atom of lithium. ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చింది ఇలాగే, హౌ ఈజ్ ఇట్ సో, వై ఈజ్ ఇట్ సో, ఏదేదో అడుగుతారు క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ రాసేవాళ్ళు. మీకు థియరీ లేదనుకోండి, జనరల్గా చెప్తున్నాను, ఈవెన్ మీరు కాన్సెప్చువల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే యూ విల్ బికమ్ థరవ్ ఇన్ ద MCQs. ఆన్సర్ లైస్ ఇన్ ద హెడింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్. What is the heading of the concept running for the last 2 days? This is the 3rd class. మోల్ కాన్సెప్ట్. దానికన్నా ముందు ఏం స్టార్ట్ చేశాను? అటామిసిటీ. ఓకే, ఇది నిజమని చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం లే, ఏదో సౌండ్ వచ్చిందని అటామిసిటీ స్టార్ట్ చేశాం కదా. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ అటామిసిటీ ఈజ్ 1, మాలిక్యూల్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు atom. Please listen carefully, be attentive. If atomicity is 1, molecule is equal to atom. 1 gram molecule is equal to 1 gram atom. When molecule is equal to atom, ikkada ennaina rasko, what difference comes? Okay, see, if atomicity is 1, for those substances molecule is equals to atom, so that 1 gram molecule is equals to 1 gram atom. Lithium is a metal, its atomicity is 1 అని ఫస్టే చెప్పాను. కొబ్బరికాయ కొట్టేటప్పుడు చేస్తే అంటారు కదా, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ నేను స్టార్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడే లిథియం ఈజ్ ఏ మెటల్, ఇట్స్ అటామిసిటీ ఈజ్ 1 అన్నానా లేదా? మరి ఎందుకు మీరు కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి పాయింట్ను? అంటే అనవసరంగా వై షుడ్ ఐ సే వితౌట్ హ్యావింగ్ పర్పస్ ఉంటేనే చెప్తాను కదా. ఓకే, ఏదో మంచి జరుగుతుందనే కదా కొబ్బరికాయ కొట్టి స్టార్ట్ చేసేది, అలాగే పర్పస్తోనే చెప్పాను. రైట్, లిథియం ఈజ్ ఏ మెటల్, సో దట్ మెటల్ ఈజ్ ఏ మోనో అటామిక్ మాలిక్యూల్, అటామిసిటీ 1. ఫర్ అటామిసిటీ 1, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఎలిమెంట్, molecule is equal to atom. So 1 gram molecule is equals to 1 gram atom. 10 gram molecules is equals to 10 gram atom. Okay, for the fluorine atomicity is 2. 1 fluorine molecule consists of 2 fluorine atoms, so that 1 molecule of fluorine is equals to 2 atoms of fluorine. Then 1 gram molecule of fluorine is equals to 2 gram atoms of fluorine. Okay, అదే phosphorus అయితే, if it is phosphorus, 1 gram molecule of phosphorus is equals to 4 gram atoms of phosphorus. That is based on atomicity. That is the connection between the atomicity, mole concept, gram molecule, gram atom, gram molecular weight, mass number. Okay, right. Yes, ma. Hope you have understood.